Talking about everybody outside today, girl. What the school got going on? They packed at the school. I don't know what type of event this is. They packed at the school, man. I ain't gonna lie. We're in the suburbs with it. Feel me? Suburbs of the suburbs right now. Right now we in Gateway. Can't leave the address of where I live, but shit. We in Gateway though. That's what I will say. Nice out of the suburbs. Telling you, man, living in the suburbs not too bad. It's alright. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never been the type of nigga to like living in the hood. I really never like living in the hood for like, don't get me fucked up. I got, you know, some fun memories in the hood, some good memories in the hood, but nigga, I never like living in the hood. I always like living in these type of areas, bro. These type of areas be fun, like, you don't gotta worry about a lot of shit. Even though my car got stolen, like, so we got a Kia. Right now we got multiple cars, but we got this car right here, Challenger. We got a 2024, brand new by the way, 2024 brand new Toyota Camry, and then we have a 2021 Kia. Tell me why these young ass niggas stole the Kia for a joyride. Like, y'all folks bored. Those are some bourbon ads too, like, nigga, like, come on, girl. Y'all got so much shit ahead of y'all, and then y'all just want to do some dumb ass shit like this. They got the hiccups. I'm talking about they fucked that car up. It ain't total, but they did fuck it up, though. Why is there a car? What the hell? Girl. Buddy, what are you doing? Like, what the hell, dude? I'm telling you, I want to go to the beach. Like, what? It is a good ass Saturday, cuz. It feels lively, dude. Good ass little Saturday, dude. Pull outside. Yeah, man. Look beautiful outside and everything. What? Ooh, wait a minute. Nah, that nigga alright, I ain't gonna lie. gotta listen to them girls, my boy. Listen to them girls. Hold on. You gotta listen to them girls, boy. I'm telling you, cuz. Once you listen to them girls and you find out how to downshift, cuz, you gotta listen to them girls talk. Listen to them talk. You gotta listen to the motherfucking girls talk. I ain't gonna lie. Remember, kids, look left, look right before you go. Yeah, listen to them girls talk. Boy, I'm telling you, the girls gonna talk to you, cuz. The girls gonna talk to you, cuz. The girls gonna talk to you. I swear to God, they gonna talk to you. Gotta let the girls talk to you, though. I ain't gonna lie. Spin around the neighborhood one more time.
But like, bro, anything I get on that snap. Hey, I told my nigga I'm riding with him. If he wrong, I'm right. Nigga talking that hot shit. Have him gone before the night. I ain't trying to squash shit. I'm outside, you better ride. My young niggas slinging hot shit. No boys know the terrorize. Tied in with the same niggas. Niggas trying to beef. Oh, I beef with y'all guys. We don't beef with y'all kind. Kill a nigga all time.
Telling you, them girls gotta talk to you, cuz. You gotta listen to them girls.